Hello friends, today I am going to explain you one part of PHP language, that is sticky form. I will explain sticky form in brief. When you make use of form on the web, you may found that something after submitting the information and being told to go back and correct it, you are sent back to an empty form. This is extremely irritating because you need to fill up the whole form. In that case, if you send back to form that retain the information you already entered, you are said to be working with sticky form. Now we will see this form. In this form, I will enter the information, and when I click on submit button, whole information is lost. Okay, we will see the code and then we will see the execution part. HTML tag, CSS part for button, then action, same file, method post. When you want to send information to the server, we use post method. Then first name, input type, that is HTML part. Then password I have written here. Input type is equal to password because I don't want to show the password. Submit button, you have click here, you have use your button. Then isSet function in PHP. isSet function in PHP is used when the variable value is set or not. Value of variable is set or not, that's why we are using isSet function. Then $post is used here. It is global array, Apache web server variable array, okay, because you want to get the information from the web server. Now we will see the execution of program. Username 123, password. Here when I click on submit button, whole information is lost. Now we will see the execution of sticky form. HTML tag, head tags, JavaScript is used, function check, document.get element by ID. I want to get the ID, first name, last name, username, password. Here I have done validation. If first name is equal to null, means nothing, then it should fire please enter your all details. Okay, else and it return nothing. Then JavaScript is closed, style tag. Then on submit, that is the function of JavaScript. When everything is entered, then only it will check first name. Now here I have written isSet function. I want to check whether the value has been set or not, and if it is set, then only then it is going to display. Then it is going to display, otherwise not. Then last name, username, password, then PHP part, name, last name and username, password are not taken. Now we will see the sticky form execution. Now if I enter Sachin, it is prompting please enter all the details. Okay, so Patil, it is prompting please enter all the details. So username and password. Still value persists after submitting. This is all about the sticky form. Thank you.